Good morning, students. I hope you have done all that works. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss about the topic chemical kinetics. What is chemical? A chemical means some other reaction taking place. Kinetics means kinetics means movement. So the reactions movement one place to another place, that is called chemical kinetics. Next, so in 11th standard, we already studied in thermodynamics. So what do you mean by thermal? Thermal means heat. So some other heat energy is movement one place to another place. That is called a feasibility of a reaction. A feasibility, if the reaction is possible, means some other energy. There is no energy is here. So the feasibility of the reaction means a spontaneous reaction. G is equal to minus negative value. G means gives free energy. We already studied. So here let us consider that general reaction A plus B. So here A plus B, it's here. In this A plus B means a reactants, and then C plus D means products. So A plus B reactants, some other reactants we can add, this means is a reactor to give a product C plus D. So here we have taken one more example. H2, A plus means A here, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So here H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So here two molecules of oxygen is here one mole oxygen is here, so can balance the equations. So 2H2O. So here four molecules of hydrogen is here we can do moles of hydrogen. So the reactions is balanced. So here we can add this reactants. So H2 plus O2 here, it is a reactants. Then H2O means products. So H2 plus O2 reactants react to give a product. So there is no energy here taking place. Then next one, a chemical equilibrium. So chemical equilibrium means equilibrium, so that means a same energy. So both the reactant sites and then product sites, both energy is taking place. So a chemical equilibrium means extent of a reaction. So here we can add this A plus B same as a reactants, and then to give a product C plus D. So this is here central two more ரெண்டு அம்புகுறி இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த ரெண்டு அம்புகுறியை தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு வரோம் அப்படின்னா, that is called equilibrium. That means A plus B reacted to give a product C plus D. Then at the same time the C plus D is reacted a reactant. So react as a reactants at the same time to give a product A plus B. So that is the introduction part of chemical kinetics. Next, what are all the examples of chemical kinetics? So we can use nowadays more industries and inorganic synthesis we can use as a chemical kinetics. So thermodynamics only does not provide the answer of chemical reactions taking place. So here we can, that's why we need chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics, some other examples all we have there. Food spoils, dental filling sets rapidly, fuel in automobile, thermodynamics says diamond turns into graphite eventually, but very slow process. Here the reactions is ranging the speeds from what is the reaction means there are two more reactions, extremely fast and extremely slow. Extremely fast means in femtoseconds and extremely slow means in years or minutes. So some other examples are there. The next one, a macroscopic level. So we can add this reactant to reactor to give a product. So industry level we can use as a kinetics. And then microscopic level, collision, some other atomic particles are collided to give a product. So that is collisions. And then reaction mechanism. So step by step we can add the reactants, so finally we can get a product. So we can use as a reaction mechanism also in this chemical kinetics. So first of all, what is chemical kinetics? So in this chemical kinetics is study of the rate and mechanism of a chemical reaction. So chemical kinetics is the study of rate and the mechanism of a chemical reactions. So proceedings under conditions, temperature, pressure, and then volume. So these three more are very important. Here one more examples are there in your book. So barium chloride, so one of the salt, so that is also one of the reactants. So barium chloride is reacted to H2SO4 acid, so reacted to give a barium sulfate and 2 moles of HCl. So barium chloride and H2SO4 is a reactants, and then barium sulfate reacted to give a product barium sulfate and 2 moles of HCl is a products. Okay, so here the barium chloride and sulfuric acid is reacted to give a product barium sulfate. The white color precipitate is formed. So the chemical kinetics, so what is the time interval? So the barium chloride and sulfuric acid we can add as a reactant. So that reactions is take place 2 more points. Note this point, students. So extremely fast reactions in femtoseconds and extremely slow. So the reactions are 2 more is there. So here what is the time interval? So here we can take this one more formula. Rate is equal to minus change in the concentrations of the reactants and change in time. In physics we can study it in 11th standard also. Speed is equal to distance by time. In chemistry, this rate, let us consider this, that formula, rate is equal to minus the concentration. The concentrations is very important. What is the time interval of that reactions is taking place in this reactant? So rate is equal to minus concentration, change in concentrations of the reactants divided by change in time. So rate is equal to minus concentrations of A2 minus A1 divided by T2 minus T1, minus A2 minus A1 and T2 minus T1 is equal to minus delta A, concentrations of A divided by delta T. So here why we have put in as a negative value, that is the questions is உங்களுக்கு இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வருதா மைண்டில்? ஸோ வை வி ஹாவ் புட் இன் நெகட்டிவ் பார்ட் இன் திஸ் ஃபார்முலா? ஸோ ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு எக்ஸ்பிளைன்.